Hi guys, I'm Jessie from Celia Designs. So let's go straight into the video. To make this wedding dress for me, I searched on eBay the materials I needed, and the first thing I am looking for is the white net fabric. Here I found a 300 centimeter wide net material, which is actually extra wide, per 2 pound per meter. Usually the fabric comes with 150 or 160 centimeter width, so we can save some money in there. I'm going to order 12 meter of it. Then I searched for a petticoat for the wedding dress. Here you can see so many kinds of underskirt. Get one of it, and I'm going to get one with an extra hoop on it. Then I look for a transparent t-shirt with a bare skin effect, and I found this one. So I'm going to order a smaller size for me. Then the last thing I'm going to order is the lace applique. Here you can see so many different kinds of designs, and I select one of it. Alright, let's start working on the top part first. So I gathered all the things we need. The top, then some wax sheet, glue, scissors, a piece of chalk, and the lace applique, some wet wipes just in case. Then I'm cutting the label away, we don't need it. And it is of a black color, so it will stand out once we make the dress. So carefully cut out the label. Try on the dress and mark exactly where the black cups are going in. You're not going to use the glue, so we need to protect it from sticking together. So I'm using this wax sheet in between. Here I'm cutting the lace into small pieces. Depends on the kind of lace you are using. You can cut short or the glue I'm using is E6000. It is really strong and flexible glue. So I'm gonna spread a reasonable amount of glue and going to press that on. Then I let it dry. Once the front part is completely dry, I'm gonna flip it over and start working on the back. The same way, I'm gluing on some of the laces there. Then I let the top part to dry completely. In the meantime, we can start working on the bottom part, and I'm getting a measurement from my waistline to the knee. Then I sit down and get the measurement from the knee to the floor. So when you're cutting the net fabric, I'm adding a double fold of the total measurement plus an extra 20 centimeter. Then I'm using a cord like this. You can use a ribbon instead of it. We need to find the center point of each piece and insert the cord into it, and we need to do the same with each piece of material we cut previously. Even though it is a nosy project, you can put that into the machine and to make a piping hole. It will make it much more secure, but I'm not doing it because it's a nosy project. Basically, I'm going to tie that on my waist like this, and the fabric is actually so stiff and rough, so comparatively there is less chance that it will slip down, but we can use a safety pin or something else to keep that and secure it. We will discuss that later. Here I have a lot of paper butterflies I cut out using this butterfly puncher, 2-inch butterfly puncher, and this part is quite optional. You can skip it if you don't want it, or you can buy the lace butterflies, but for me I just want to save some money there, so I'm using this paper butterflies. I'm going to use the paper glue only, so we can wash it out if you don't want it. That's the glue I'm using, and here you can see a bit of glue in there, and I'm going to press it on here. And I'm going to use as much as I can. The net fabric is actually really stiff and rough, so there is comparatively less chance that it slips down while we try on, but we can use some pins just in case and hide it by using some pretty things. So we can glue on some pretty things to hide it well. Here I am bringing together each piece and using a safety pin to hold it in place, so we can avoid it slipping away, and hide the pin by gluing on some pretty things like I mentioned before. Well, here is my wedding dress ready to go. A wedding dress like this was always in my dream. and I love to have a bare skin effect on the top part. So that's it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and share the video. See you next time. Bye bye.